So today we're going to be talking about brittle nails, nails that actually feel like eggshells, nails that, if you can see, bend so easily, they split, they break. There is really just no hope. I have been struggling with eggshell nails for pretty much all my life, but the past year I would have to say this is the worst time that I've ever gone through in my life in having the worst case of eggshell nails. I do my best to get shellac done. I do my best to get gel nail polish done. I do my best to do hardeners, and they just don't seem to work. I do suffer from sweaty hands, and although I do have sweaty hands, I just can't blame the fact that my nails would be weak because of sweaty hands. Who doesn't get sweaty palms, right? Like, they're not sweaty at the moment, but I was born to have sweaty hands and feet. That's just what I was born with. That's the condition that I have put up with my whole life. And yeah, I know you can have an operation to stop the sweat glands from coming out. I think they use Botox, and it lasts like 3 to 6 months. But I really just don't want to complicate things, and I think that doing Botox in those areas, they may make you sweat more in other parts of your body, such as the armpits. Now, yes, I get sweaty armpits, and that's another story. But the eggshell nails. Have you guys experienced eggshell nails? Have you got eggshell nails? Do you know what I'm talking about when I say eggshell nails? Well, so I came across this product on the Sephora website by OPI, and it's called the Repair Mode, and I am going to give it a go for 2 weeks. Every day you got to apply 2 coats of this to clean bare nails. Now, I do have this on my nails at the moment, but I will show you my application method as well. I will show you me actually pressing on my nails. I'll actually press on my nails now because obviously the product isn't going to work straight away, but they're paper thin. They're worse than paper thin. My nails have been like this for the past year now, and I've had enough. I can't grow them because they split. Gel nail polish is making them worse because they can't breathe. The shellac nail polish doesn't even stick to my nail properly because the nail is actually too weak to have any kind of polish on it. So if I am going to be doing any nail polish from now on, it's not going to be any gel. It's just going to be your normal regular nail polish, or just the gel nail polish that is the one that can come off easily with acetone. I really just don't know if it's my diet. But then my toenails are stronger. Like, my toenails aren't the strongest, but they're stronger than my nails. And, if I put shellac on my toenails, it lasts the whole time, and I can actually keep cutting my nails until I get the shellac off. So, let's talk about this product. And I will just read out to you what it says. Repair Mode with the Ultra Flex, or with the Ulti Flex technology, is a fast-acting serum that penetrates the nail to build new bonds from within, repairing nail keratin by 99%. Nails look improved after the first application. So I'm looking at my nails now after the first application, and I can see that they kind of feel like they're matted. They don't look shiny. They just actually look a bit matted. Like, when I say matted, I mean as in matte. So very thin, like I'm talking like just so thin that you can actually feel the skin underneath my nails. That's how thin it is, no joke. So the first technology of its kind to penetrate the nail and build new bonds from within, resulting in smoother, stronger nails that are resistant to breakage. So we'll give this a go for 2 weeks. This is the other side of the pack if you just want to have a look at that. Have you guys tried this? What are your thoughts? I read a review on Sephora, and someone actually liked it. They approved. They gave it 4.5 stars. I just don't know if it's going to work for me. Look, anything, I'm desperate at this stage. Anything is better than having these nails. Like I've got to do something about it. 99% nail keratin repair. Now that's a big claim to make. It's a bond building nail serum. I mean, they have bond building products like Olaplex for the hair, which repair the broken disulfur bonds in your hair. So is this Olaplex for the hair? I don't know, maybe. I just have no idea. Like, can they make that claim? It does come in a gorgeous cute little black bottle. Simply screw the lid off like that, and it's got like a really thin brush, like a really thin brush. If you can see that there, I'm trying to, I can't zoom in on it because the thing is it's zooming on the back. There we go. There we go, there we have it. It's a very thin brush. It smells quite pleasant, doesn't smell like your typical formaldehyde type nail polish, although let's have a look and see what the ingredients are. It'd help if I got the actual little thing out of the box. So let's have a look and see. Does it say the ingredients? It must be a secret, because seriously it doesn't have the ingredients on here unless I just cannot read. Oh, here we go. Really small writing. Time to put the glasses on. Alcohol denate, which is one of the most, I suppose the alcohol denate is the drying agent, so that's at the first ingredient. Then it's water, then it's malic acid. Now malic acid is I believe they put that in a lot of hair treatments, and I think that's the type of ingredient that's, you know, they use in a lot of heat protectants, so it's a strengthener, I think. And LG hexadienine, hexandiamine. Look, I can't. It's too small. I don't know if you guys can see the ingredients there. Yeah, so we're going to give it a go. And you know, guys, what do you guys use for your nails? Do you have naturally strong nails? My mum has like ironclad nails, like they are talons, like falcon strong talons. I'm telling you, I don't know, she can grow them long, she can grow them strong. It's just an unfair advantage, really. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for this, you know, for stopping by. I really would love to get your thoughts on whether or not you have tried this OPI repair mode. Is it worth it? This was actually, oh, I forgot to tell you the price. It was 41 Australian dollars from Sephora. So I am going to try it. Today is day one. I've already applied the 2 coats. We're going to do it for another 13 days. And then I will report back on what my thoughts are. I just need my nails to grow and get strong. And yeah, because they just keep breaking. And you know, like I do take a hair, skin and nail supplement. Actually, there is a supplement that I've recently bought from Sephora. I will do a review on it at some point. I haven't even started it yet, but there's a previous hair, skin and nail supplement that I'm already using, and it does wonders for the hair, but it doesn't do anything for the nails, obviously. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you all again in my next video. Bye for now.